Welcome to the Lotus Evora police car.
And cyclist. The classic Battenburgs. Oh, god damn it. The sun's in my eyes. Evorias just have the most amazing rear, don't they?
I do love a bit of cake.
I think the colour choice is just right on this, like this nice dark grey with the Battenburg design, the police signs. Damn, looks so good. That's a small bike.
You will not get away from this police car.
It's got a nice wang and window wings. In all seriousness though, I love the design of the Evora. Some nice AP racing stoppers to, well, stop the car. Yeah, you know, high speed rate, yeah. Some more wheel action because I really like them. GT410, so you don't forget. One of the top in the range, so cool. Some light action. I really love the rear ends of these. Hopefully the camera picks up that carbon weave then. Whoa, so nice. I do like these. Ooh, rear. I probably sound and look so weird to everyone. It definitely has a happy face, doesn't it? Like, I'm gonna catch the birdies!
Yeah, we're there. We're away.
Such a unique sight. I can't believe I bumped into this. I'm so happy. I do apologise about sound quality. My phone is broken.
It's gathering a lot of attention.
I know I keep saying Evoria, I know it's Evora, but Evoria sounds nicer. I don't know why I do it. Hope you enjoyed though. Thank you. Bye now.